Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to change leverage in TradingView Paper Trading. This is an essential skill for traders who want to refine their strategies and experiment with different leverage settings without putting real money at risk. Let's dive right in. First, open your TradingView chart and locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This is a crucial area where you can manage your trades and access various account settings. Click on the Trading Panel tab, and you'll see a window pop up with options to connect or switch to paper trading. This tool is fantastic because it simulates real trading conditions, allowing you to practice your strategies in a risk-free environment. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Once you're in the paper trading panel, the next step is to access the account management settings. You have a couple of options here. You can click on the gear icon, which looks like a standard settings symbol, or click on the account summary. Both methods will open a settings modal where you can adjust your paper trading account. This feature is particularly useful because it gives you a detailed overview of your account balance and trade details, ensuring that you're trading with the conditions you expect. Now, let's move on to resetting your paper trading account. This step is important because it allows you to start fresh. You can set a new initial balance and, most importantly, modify the leverage ratio to suit your needs. Adjusting the leverage lets you simulate various trading conditions. This is especially helpful if you're trying to understand how leverage affects your trades and overall strategy. Remember, setting the right leverage is crucial because it determines your market exposure relative to your account balance. Higher leverage means you can control a larger position than your actual account balance would allow. But it also increases the potential for both gains and losses. Testing different leverage levels in a paper trading environment is a valuable exercise. It gives you insights into how you might want to trade when you're ready to use real funds. By following these straightforward steps to adjust leverage in TradingView Paper Trading, you're paving the way to enhance your techniques and boost your trading skills in a safe and controlled setting. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to change leverage in TradingView Paper Trading. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.